I was always really great at drawing when I was little at Hillcrest. My mom was just an amazing, amazing artist. She was an art teacher at South Junior High, and I went in with her every day. I went to Bora High, but I spent most of my time at D-Tech.
So Olivia, what drew you to Dennis Technical Education Center?
So every 9th grader goes through D-Tech on a tour called Rigs and Gigs. I decided to take the HVAC, electrical, and plumbing class, and it was a really great experience for me.
What did you love about it?
Honestly, my sophomore year was tough. My mom had just died, and it was hard for me to keep coming to school every day. But when I was at D-Tech, it was the first place where I found a smile on my face every day, and that kept me motivated to keep coming to school.
What led you to SkillsUSA and competing at such a high level?
I was inspired by my advisors, Easton Anderson and Debbie Johnson. They were the first people that saw leadership in me and allowed me to grow into everything that I would become.
How would you say that growing up in Boise schools and your mom being a teacher in Boise schools has shaped how you show up in the community today?
Boise schools have shaped my experience so much through just all of the help that I've gotten over the years and the help that my family has gotten. It's kind of helped inspire me to help my community and to give back in the ways that I was helped.
If you could go back in time and tell your grade school age self one thing, what would it be?
A lot of the time when I was younger, I felt pretty out of place. So I would just tell her, you'll find your place and you'll find your purpose.